Hi, my name is Thomas Leifert. I'm application engineer for Keysight Technologies, dedicated to Industry 4.0, Internet of Things and the automotive industry. Today we're here at the Advanced Engineering Event 2018 at Birmingham and the National Exhibition Centre, and we're showcasing a few of our solutions that are not solely for Industry 4.0 but all part of that. Today we're showing our first-class measurement solutions on digital oscilloscopes, on wireless communications and on spectrum analysis. Why does that fit Industry 4.0? What we are doing for Industry 4.0? Well, as one of the leading manufacturers of measurement equipment in the world, we're dedicated to help our customers with the right tools to develop the solutions being used in the Industry 4.0. And for instance, that are measurement solutions for wireless communications. If you nowadays have a warehouse with like 50,000 bins, how do you collect the data? If the bin is full, how many devices you have left in the bin? Today that can be done by sensors. Do you want to wire up 50,000 bins? No. Nowadays that can be done wirelessly. With modern standards like LTE, NB-IoT and CAT-M1, for instance, a wireless sensor could run on a coin cell for more than 10 years. Same applies for Bluetooth Low Energy and other technologies. And we're all featuring those technologies in our products and our measurement solutions.